Children, in today's class we are going to learn lesson number 4, subtraction. In this chapter we will know how to subtract 3-digit numbers without borrowing and by borrowing, and we are able to solve this subtraction 3-digit numbers subtraction problems. See here children, open your math textbook, page number 96. Book selling. Rangamma and Rajanna were old friends. Both of them own a bookshop on either side of the road. Now, there are 468 books in Ranganna's shop. There are 365 books in Rajanna's shops. In Ranganna's shop, there are more books. In Rajanna's shops, there are less number of books. Now, learn how many more books are there in Ranganna's shop than in Rajanna's shop. Then verify your guess whether it is correct or not. See here, Ranganna and Rajanna are both are best friends. They have a bookshop, but here Ranganna have 468 books, but Rajanna had 365 books. Children, 468 and 365. In these two numbers, which is the big number? 468 is the big number and 365 is small number. Now we should find whose have more books. Okay, this will cause subtraction. Subtraction means take away. Subtraction means take away. In second standard already you learnt now how to do subtraction problems, but in third standard we'll read 3-digit numbers subtraction. See here, now we'll see books in Ranganna's shop. Ranganna how many books have? 468. Now we'll write here 468. And books in Rajanna's shop. So big number first we'll write, after that down small number we'll write. So number of more books in Ranganna shops. Now we should find this. How we'll do? This is subtraction problems. This will write unit side. This will call units, tens and hundred. First we'll subtract unit side number. Unit side number 8 and 5. In these 8 we'll minus this 5. 8 minus 5. Yes, 8 minus 5, 3. So we'll write in unit column 3. Next, 6 minus 6. In tens we'll subtract tens column. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Now we'll subtract hundreds column. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So number of more books in Ranganna's shop 103. ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಳೆಯುವುದು. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಂದರೆ ರಾಜಣ್ಣ ಮತ್ತು ರಂಗಣ್ಣ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸು. ರಂಗಣ್ಣನ ಹತ್ರ 468 ಬುಕ್ಸು ಮತ್ತು ರಾಜಣ್ಣನ ಹತ್ರ 365 ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿಲ್ಲಿ? 468. ಸೊ ನಾವು 468ಅನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೆದು ಅದರ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ 365 ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ಆಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೈಡನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 8ರಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಹೋದರೆ 3, 6ರಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಹೋದರೆ 0, 4 minus 3 1. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? See here now, Sushmita purchased a book for rupees 150. She gave rupees 200 the shopkeeper. How much money should the shopkeeper return? Now what we should find? Sushmita purchased rupees 150 books. She given to the shopkeeper 200. So how much amount she should take return? That will do. So we'll write now amount paid by Sushmita. How much she paid? 200. Cost of books purchased. For how much rupees she purchased? 150. So what we'll do? In this 200 we'll minus 150. So first we'll do unit side. Unit side 0 minus 0 means 0 only. So here 0 minus 5. Is this possible? In small number can we minus big number? No. Then what we'll do? We'll borrow 100 from 100 side. We'll borrow 1. So from here we'll take 1. So 100 plus 0, 100 only. So now in this 105 will minus this 5. Now how much will got? See here. 10 minus 5. 5. So 2 minus 1. So we borrowed 100 from here. So in this 2 we'll minus 1. So how much is there? 1. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So now she should take return back 50 rupees. Okay. Therefore, amount returned by the shopkeeper to Sushmita is rupees 50. This will call with borrowing, by borrowing. Okay. This sum will call with borrowing. You understood, the children? Now we'll do this exercise. Rakshita has rupees 265. Ashok has rupees 134. Who has more money and by how much? So Rakshita and have how much amount? 265. Ashok has 134. In these two number, which is the big number? 265. So we'll write here 265. Ashok has 134 amount. So in down we'll write 134. Now we'll subtract this. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. 6 minus 3, 3. Now 2 minus 1, 1. Now so this amount. So Rakshita has more amount. That how much that amount? 131. Rakshita has 131 rupees more than Ashok. Okay. Second here. So who has more money? Who has more money? Rakshita has more money. So we'll write here Rakshita's name. Difference amount of money. Difference amount means this only will call different. Whatever final answer will get now, that will call difference amount. So 131. So next, Vikas is reading a novel containing 325 pages. He had already finished reading 224 pages. How many more pages still he has to read? See here, Vikas is reading a novel. It contains how many pages? 325 pages. In that, he already finished 224 pages. Now, how many pages are remaining there? How many pages he should read now? So, in these two, which is the big number? 325. So, we will write here 325 first. After that, 224. How many pages he finished by reading? 224. So, we should subtract this now. So, unit side, this will call units, this will call hundreds and, tens and hundreds. So, first we will subtract unit side. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 2, 1. So, number of pages Vikas has to read 101 pages. He should read 101 pages. So, number of pages Vikas had to read 101 pages. 101. You got it, children? Now, third one. Ramya and Soumya are holding the marks they have obtained in 7th standard annual examination. Who has scored less marks? What is the difference in score? See, Ramya and Soumya are holding the marks card. Marks. They are obtained in 7th standard annual examination. So now we should find who has scored less marks and what is that less marks difference that. Okay, now what we'll do for in these two number 491 and 386, in these two which is the big number? 491. So we'll write here 491. So Ramya got 386. So we'll write 386. Okay. Now what we'll do? Here we'll minus 1 minus 6. In 1 can we minus this 6? No, because 1 is small number, 6 is big number. In small number, this big number we can't minus. So what we'll do? 1 will borrow from 10 side. Here 110 will borrow from 10 side. From here we'll take. So 10 plus 1, 11. 10 plus 1, 11. So 11 minus 6, how much? 5. Now here 9 minus 8. We can't minus 9 in 8 because already 110 we borrowed from here. So in this 9 we should minus this 1. Okay. 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. So 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Here 4 minus 3, 1. So now who has got less marks? Which is the small number here? 386. So Ramya scored less marks than Soumya. What is the different score? 105. See here. Less marks scored by who's got less marks? Ramya. So we'll write here Ramya. Scored marks. Scored marks means what is that? Less scored marks? 105. You got it, children? This problem will call by borrowing, with borrowing. Okay, subtraction with borrowing. Okay. Harish and Ramesh are milkmen selling milk. The quantity of milk sold by them is written on milk cans. Who is selling more milk? How much more milk is scored? Now what we should do? Harish and Ramesh are milkmen selling milks. The quantity of milk sold by them is written on milk cans. Who is selling more? See how much milk they sold. They written at that number, written in that can. What is this? 264 liters and 350. In these two number, which is the big number, student? Yes, 315 liters is the big number. So this big number will write up. Now this 264 will write down. Now we'll do subtraction. Units, first we'll do unit side subtraction. 5 minus 4 is equal to 0. So in 1 we can't minus 6. So what we'll do? With 100 we'll borrow from here. So now we'll add this 1 in this in 11. What we should do? We should minus this 6. So how much is this? 5. 11 minus 6 is equal to 5. So now we'll subtract 100 side. 3 minus 2. We can't minus in this 2 because already 100 we borrow from here. So this one will minus here. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So 50 liters. Who has that extra milk? This person. Harish has this extra 315 liters. Now he has 50 liters extra. Okay. Harish has 50 liters extra milk. More milk is sold by Harish. So we'll write here Harish. Amount of more milk sold is, what is that amount? 50. Okay. So this is not amount of how much liters. They given wrong. How much liters? 50 liters. You got it now, children, now? See next. Both Rajesh and Shilpa are traveling by bus. Tickets brought by them are shown below. Number on Rajesh tickets is 827. Shilpa's ticket number is 764. Find the difference between two numbers. We should find difference. So which is big number now? 827. So we'll write 827. Which is small number? 764. So we'll write 764. So we'll minus first unit side. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. In this 2, can we minus? We can't. So 100 we'll borrow from 100 side. So 1 plus 2 we'll add 1 plus 2. So 100 plus 2, 102. So in this 12, if we minus 6, how much is this? 6. So 8 minus 7. We can't minus in 8 because we already borrowed 100 from here. So this 8 will minus 1. Then we'll got 7. So 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. So that difference amount between two numbers is 63. Therefore, the difference between the ticket number of Rajesh and Shilpa is rupees 63. Okay, you got it, children, now? How we should do this? Okay. So, in your textbook, these problems are there. You try to solve these problems. Okay. Thank you, children.